you're welcome to Emmanuel Crypto, and in this particular video I'll be sharing with you how you could withdraw your Quantum Wallet Airdrop. And this, I created a video around 3 or 4 days ago, and how you will be able to earn $900. And please, in this particular video, this is a disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, so that is why I want you to do your own due diligence, and also take your own discretion in watching this particular video. And I urge everybody, watch this particular video to the end, because I'm going to share a lot of updates about how to withdraw and also what you need to do in this particular video. So if you rush and just go and do anything and your coin disappear, please, I'm not be held responsible in any decision you take. That is why I'm putting this disclaimer that please, I'm not a financial advisor. So you could see here that the $900 that everyone got, I will be able to agree on to $10,800 as at the time of this particular video, and you can see that I have 36,000 of this particular token. So let me share you where they are changing this particular crypto on Telegram platform. So I was doing a lot of digging as at yesterday when I came to see about this update, and if you could read carefully, that's why please read carefully everything I'll be sharing with you here. So if you could read carefully, we say, what can this boot do for you? They say this boot facilitates the exchange of Sanctum coin to USDT, that you can trade it to USDT, Tron, and BNB. So now, so as at yesterday, I started the bot. You could see here, you could see say input your Quantum wallet address or referral code. Warning: ensure your wallet address or referral code is correct. Sanctum may not be exchanged for incorrect address code. So this was my referral address I placed here. So now they now ask me that you can exchange once. That was where I looked at that. You can exchange once. Choose the token you wish to exchange into. So when I saw this, that was when I discovered that I haven't actually shared this particular update with my people, that I have to create a video, which is what I'm doing now. Because if I'm able to withdraw once to just text if it is legit or not, and I'm unable to create any video about this particular update, a lot of people might not really know how to do it. So that is why I paused to do more research about it, so that I'll be able to share the update with you. So if I'm to continue in this particular place, what they will ask me is that which particular token will I want to. So if I tap on USDT, let's say for example we tap on USDT, looked at it, it will say unlocking. So it will ask me to proceed. So someone will tap on proceed. So it will ask now that what is the amount of Sanctum we want to exchange. We have 6,000, 3,000, 9,000, 20. So let's tap. I have 36,000. Let's just tap on 12,000. So this is it. Now you say the network fee is required for this exchange to be completed. Pay the required fees and verify payment. You could see the verified network fees as at here was $55. The one I saw yesterday was at around $21. That's why I say I'm not a financial advisor. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video like this. So let's continue. And if you have any comment, please, I'll be expecting your comment and your question in the comment of this particular video. So this is it. We are asked to make a payment. They say network fees payment address, that will send BNB of $55, send it to the particular address, and from that video it shows that the person actually got the USDT and it transferred to biggest exchange. But I was very curious about some certain things. So, and everything you could see, it has their logo here and the quantum exchange called the quantum exchange. So I did something to do more research, and that's why as most of this particular airdrop we are doing, you just have to follow them on all their socials so that you could ask questions. So this morning I was curious, so I went to their Telegram channel to ask some questions. So let me share you what they share with me. So before even going to their channel, this was the update that sent. You could see they say important notice. They say the exchange of Sanctum token, the exchange bot will end on April 26th, which we have about, I think, around 6 to 7 days. After the deadline, Saturn token can no longer be exchanged until official listing on the exchange in 2026. So you have 13 days remaining. So this was a clickbait application sent from people that believe that they are from Quantum Wallet Airdrop. So this one now, someone looking at in 2026 before they will to exchange, a lot of people saying now $100 will began to fidget and think, oh, it's better I sell off now. Then I'll be able to gather a lot anytime they exchange. So let me show you the reply I got. So this was the message I sent that I saw a YouTube video yesterday on how to withdraw Sanctum token. Is it from you guys? The name of the YouTube carries you people's name, because the YouTube video I saw also carries the Quantum Exchange name. So there's somebody there's somebody here says it was fixed. So I was still waiting for the admin of this particular Telegram to say something. So it dropped a link here. So when you tap on it, so before you do anything or see any video that says you could withdraw, you could see this was what was coming directly from the original Telegram channel. That's a Quantum Wallet anti-fraud announcement. Beware of fraud and protect your access security. Recently, some users have reported that videos and robot scam about token exchange have appeared on YouTube and Telegram. All members must be vigilant and protect the safety of your assets. So, any video you are seeing showing you about how to withdraw are all scam video. That is why I urge everybody to watch particular video to the very end. Don't do it. It is very risky because you'll be lost in your token and you'll be scammed of your wallet. So if there's any time that it is available for you to be able to exchange, I'll be also be creating a video on how you can go about it, because that is what I'm here for. So they say, please pay attention to the following. Quantum Wallet does not have an official exchange robot. They don't have any token exchange robot is a scam. Please do not believe it. Saturn token have not yet been listed. One who claims to be able to help you exchange it is a lie. All official information, please refer to the official channel of Quantum Wallet, which is this their wallet. Do not believe in rumor. Do not spread rumor. The official team of Quantum will never ask you for your fund or private key in any name. Please keep your asset properly. If you have any question, you can contact them on their Telegram channel here, which you'll be able to. So let me show you when they will be listing, which you could get ready for. So currently this is their roadmap, and for their Q2 2025, you could see here that this one, the Atom token list on sex exchange. That means in the Q2 of 2025, they'll be listed on some centralized exchange. And also, if you read further in Q4 also, which is this one here, you'll see that they say Atom token listed on 3 major centralized exchange. So between the space of Q2 and Q4, which is around June till December of this year, they will be listing in some of the major centralized exchange like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin. So we'll be expecting them to be listed. So you get that now. So let's just sit down patiently and wait till when they get listed at the Q2 or the Q4 of this particular year. Just keep on inviting. As you haven't started, please, I'll be dropping my link and the referral code in the description and also in the comment of this particular video. Please kindly use it so that you could get started. By using my referral code, you'll be able to get $900 of this particular token. Please do not fall for any scam, for any Telegram app or bot tell you that currently you can sell your token. I'm telling you, I'm very bullish about this particular airdrop. We will make a lot of people a lot of money